Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. In the settings we need to scroll all the way down to find System. Then let's tap on this fourth option, so date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. So first of all, you need to turn off all of those switchers here. And now you can freely tap on date and change the date. Choose the date from the calendar, tap on the day and confirm it by tapping on OK. The same situation with the time. So just find it and choose it from the clock. First of all, hours, then minutes. The time zone, just tap on it and choose the region. And here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it, for example, like that. Here the time format, so you can either use the 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour format. You can activate it by tapping on this switcher. And this is the whole manual customization of date and time. You can go back to previous settings if you want to, just by tapping on all of those switchers right here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.